Hi everyone, Brian Hotzik here with NCSI. Today we're going to be talking about IT asset management. We have a lot of organizations that are sending assets home currently, and there's a lot of outstanding questions that are difficult to answer. Who is receiving these devices? Are we going to get these assets back? What is the security posture of those devices when we send them out? Does the security team understand that they're leaving our organization? And that poses a lot of security challenges associated with that. We want to talk about how we have some great products from Avanti that can help us solve those problems. But today I want to talk to you about Avanti's Asset Manager and our Avanti Cloud. These two products can come together to give us some great features inside of the asset management portfolio. Asset Manager can give us information like who we're assigning these assets to, what is their location, what is the procurement information associated with it. And our Avanti Cloud platform is going to give us the ability to understand that device when it's out in the field. Where is it at? What is its current security posture? What can I do to take actions upon that to actually secure that particular device? So here I'm logged into Avanti Asset Manager. This is a cloud-based platform to understand all of the different assets I have in my organization. I'm currently logged in as an asset administrator, and my dashboard can show me lots of different things like my assets based on what type they are, what the different asset distribution across different geographies are, or maybe assets associated with their financial owner. I'm going to go take a look at an individual laptop. You can see I have a Lenovo laptop. I can understand what its serial number is, what its asset tag, more information about its catalog item, its weight, its color, maybe purchase information. When I bought it, what was the asset age compared to its useful life? My laptops have a 48-month useful life. You can see I'm 7 months into it. What kind of warranty information do I have associated with it? Is there a certain security risk or regulatory risk with the information on this particular laptop? And you can see I assign a user right here. So I can go in here and assign it to a user. I can assign it to a location. If this is something that's going to be coming and going a lot, I can have a check-in and check-out process. And when I go and assign those, I'm going to have an inventory transaction associated with that. So every time I go and assign it to a user, I'm going to understand when that was sent out on what particular date and time. And if I need to go in and look at an individual user, I can go search that user and find what other assets that they have. So I can see this particular user has not only a computer but also a mobile device assigned to them. So this gives me a great view of understanding what it is from a financial and regulatory perspective. And then our Avanti Cloud gives us the ability to understand more about those particular assets. So if I want to know more about the individual device, I can click on it here from an inventory perspective. I'm going to have an inventory scan that shows me lots of information, but it's actually going to go and pull real-time information about the device as well. And if I want to click on the detailed view here, it can tell me more about the individual details associated with hardware and software on this particular computer. So that information is stored up in the Avanti Cloud. Our real-time intelligence gives us a great way to understand what's happening right now with these devices. And what's great about it is it's kind of like a Google search. You don't need to bring a lot of information to the table. You can just type it in here. If I want to know more about my BitLocker, I can just type in BitLocker and search, and it understands what I meant. And it's actually doing a real-time query of my devices right here, right now. So I can understand what my devices look like from a BitLocker perspective. I click on the list view here, shows me all the individual devices, what the state of BitLocker is. You can see most of my devices are currently no, but I have a few hard drives that are encrypted here. And I can actually create actionable things. So I have right here an option to say enable BitLocker. This is something custom that I've created. You could have it do lots of different things from starting services, starting the firewall, understanding more about what that local machine looks like. Other cool things like, who are the local administrators? What are the local administrators that we found? Should it be expected or unexpected? Maybe domain admins is something that you normally should expect on a local machine from a local admin perspective, but other users would be unexpected. And if I find something unexpected, I can actually go and remove that if I want to, take away that administrative action from that particular user. So lots of good information here. You don't need to know a lot about what you're looking for. You can kind of just click around and find different context of different status of the machines in your organization. So those two products coming together, our Avanti Asset Manager and our Avanti Cloud, brings us a great insight into these devices that we're sending home. If you'd like to know more information, please hit the contact information below, and we'd love to help you out. Thank you.